If you're trying to be the kind of girl when you walk in the room, when you walk out the room, people are like, damn, she smells good, then this video is for you. I'm sharing how to get the most out of your perfumes, and yes, girl, you smell amazing all day long. What's up, guys? It's your girl Breonna Queen. I am an image consultant as well as an award-winning beauty blogger, and on this channel I share simple and doable tips to help you look and feel amazing. So if that's your kind of thing, be sure to subscribe. My first tip to having your fragrance smell great and last all day long is obviously you want to apply your fragrance after you freshly showered. The last thing you want to do is apply perfume on top of funk. You do not want to apply no perfume and you do not just take a shower. Perfume is not going to mask, cover up, hide, camouflage, or get rid of funk. When you apply perfume to funk, it's honestly only going to make it stronger. Perfume only amplifies funk because then it just smells like funk and perfume. So obviously first you want to apply your fragrance after you have freshly showered. You first want to apply a water-based moisturizer or water-based lotion. The reason why you want to apply a water-based lotion as opposed to an oil is because an oil is going to seal, it's going to lock in moisture. You don't have any moisture to begin with, it's going to make it dry. So you want to first apply a water-based lotion so that it can absorb into your skin. You want that lotion to have the scent of whatever you're going to be doing. So if you're going to be smelling like vanilla, it makes sense to have a lotion that also smells like vanilla. So you're going to apply your water-based lotion because lotions will, one, enhance your fragrance. So if your skin is moisturized and you apply a perfume on top, it's going to last longer. If your skin is dry, you're just going to soak it up because it's dry. You're not going to be able to smell it. So perfumes smell better on freshly washed and moisturized skin. A water-based lotion is lightweight, so it's less likely to interfere with your perfume. So once you have applied your water-based lotion, then it's time to apply your perfume. You want to hold the bottle 6 to 8 inches from your skin, and then you want to spray in short bursts. You don't want to be this close up, that's too much. You don't want to be super far away. You want to be 6 to 8 inches away, and you want to spray with light bursts. No more than 2 to 3 times. You do all this, that's too much. You're going to be coughing and hacking, and those around you are going to be coughing and hacking too. Just a few mists, that's all you need. Another thing you want to do is you don't want to be rubbing it in. Do not rub. You want to pat or tap. Rubbing perfume into your skin can break down the fragrance molecules and actually interfere with the scent, make it smell different, and it can even break it down to where it doesn't last as long. So you never want to rub, you just want to pat. So once you spray, you want to allow that perfume to naturally dry on your skin. It's going to help preserve the integrity of the fragrance, ensure it lasts long, and that it does smell the way it's intended to smell. So you applied your water-based lotion, then you applied your perfume, and now you want to seal it in with a oil. You want to use an oil that smells just like everything else you've applied. For example, you're gonna be using a vanilla type of perfume. You're gonna make sure that your lotion is vanilla and your body oil is vanilla, or it complements each other. Applying your body oil is going to lock in your fragrance, and it's also going to layer your fragrances so the smell just lingers, it lasts longer. Again, you don't want to overdo it. You applied your lotion, you applied your perfume, taking your body oil, a few little taps to areas that may get dry, like your elbows, your knees, stuff of that nature, so that the scent can linger and it can last. You want to layer your perfumes so that they can last longer. Now let me share with you guys some tips on keeping your perfume lasting longer. So the first thing is, apply your perfume to pulse points. Pulse points are areas that generate heat and will help diffuse the fragrance throughout the day. So pulse points include your wrist, behind the ears, the base of your throat, inside your elbows, as well as behind your knees. And just apply a small amount. You don't have to overdo it. Just apply just a little bit to the pulse points, which will help your perfume just last longer. Another tip I have is doing fragrance cocktails. So that means applying multiple types of scents, but they don't interfere with each other. For example, a floral scented moisturizer, and then also adding a floral fragrance and a body oil to that you smell like a bouquet of flowers. By doing a cocktail, you're creating your own little combination of scents unique to you. Now, when doing the fragrance cocktail, you want to apply your heaviest fragrance first and then apply the lighter scent. You do not want to apply a lightly scented perfume, then apply a heavy one on top of it, because the heavy one's going to mask the lighter scent. So always apply the lighter scent after you've applied the heavier scent. Before applying each layer, you want to let it dry and then go in with the other layer. Another tip I have is, remember, perfumes smell different on different people. What a perfume smells like on you may not smell like that on someone else. So you want to make sure that you're spraying it on your pulse point, and then in 2 hours seeing what it smells like mixed in with your natural chemistry of your body. Perfumes will smell different on you when you give it some time. That is okay, it's normal. Everyone's biochemistry is different. And then another tip to smell great even longer is take a cotton ball, spray perfume on a cotton ball, and then put that in your drawer with your bras, your undergarments, with your socks. This is going going to allow all those things to smell great. You're not spraying the perfume directly on your socks or your bra, which can stain your fabrics. Instead, you're using a cotton ball so you still get that smell on your undergarments without ruining the fabric. So these are some of my tips to smell amazing all day long. If you are into beauty and style and skincare, you are gonna love my free beauty glow up bundle. It is free for you. I will link that down below.